Hey guys, all right. So I cleaned my rear, the license plate light. I soaked it in Evaporust, which got it pretty darn clean. You can see what it looked like before in some previous videos. And then also did the wire splicing. So this is the original, and somebody did a hokey splice and didn't have any plugs at the end of it. So did a wire splice, did some heat shrink. So I still have my original stopper, and then I used this plug from another plug that was on my old wire harness that matched what's there, and then I've got a new seal, and then the original lens. When you do go to clean it, this does come out. You can push it all the way through if you'd like, and then basically you just got to get the new light in. And your seal. Yeah, you can get the seal in either. I think you can buy it separately, or just get you can just get a paint kit. If you get an entire paint kit, if that's what you're doing. Pretty simple. And I don't put it on my car yet. I'll just put it on when I get the bumper on. At least I can have this ready to go when I am ready. All right, that's it. Real simple. And then I'll show you where it goes in the car. So for mine, you got a holes you got right here. A hole that's for your bumper, but it's this one here. Okay, that's where your light goes in. And then basically feed it in from the back side, like that, and then your stopper goes in like that, and then just hooks up to your bumper. And then when I'm ready to get my bumper in, then I'll get this installed, and I'll show you from there how it's done. But pretty simple. All right, that's it.